Okay, how you feeling about 6-1? This is our third day with it, and hopefully it's starting to feel a little bit easier. I'm going to do a few of these with you again, and then you will finish the rest of it. And then your quiz, 6-1 quiz, will look just like this. Okay, so hopefully today's makes sense, and you check all your answers on the answer key. Hopefully meet up on Zoom with me if you have any questions, okay? Okay, so we're going to start with number 2. Notice it says get your lines into slope-intercept form before graphing. So unless I tell you, like this one, hey, leave it in standard form, put it into slope-intercept, okay? So let's look at number 2 here. So line 1, that's what L1 means. Line 1 is y equals 2/3 x minus 4. Line 2, which we'll do in blue, is 2x minus 3y equals 12, okay? So let's start with line 1. It asks you down below, what is the y-intercept of line 1? Well, your y-intercept is -4, okay? Your slope is 2/3. Okay, so that's line 1. Line 2, we can't find our y-intercept and our slope right now unless we solve for y. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take 2x away from both sides. So we have -3y equals -2x plus 12. Okay, then we're going to divide by -3 everywhere. So I get y equals a negative divided by a negative is a positive, so 2/3 x, and then this is -4. Okay, well from that, my y-intercept is -4, and my slope is 2/3. What do you notice? These are the same as these. So we're actually going to be graphing the same line here. So if I plot my first line, y-intercept of -4 means down 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, slope of 2/3 is up 2 over 3, up 2 over 3, and then we can draw that line in. Ooh, my ruler moved on me. Now, if I were to plot my blue line, it's exactly the same. Y-intercept of -4, up 2 over 3, draw your line in. Because they're the same line, that's when we say we have infinitely many solutions. Because every point will work in both of those equations. Okay, so that's infinitely many. Okay, so that's the first one. Number 2. Let's do number 4, just because I told you to leave this one in standard form, and there is one on the quiz like this too. So I want to make sure you're good with it. So from standard form, we're finding intercepts. So let's just look at line 1 for now. You would write 2 equations, 3x equals 6 and 2y equals 6. Okay, so if I divide by 3, then I get x equals 2, and divide by 2, I get y equals 3. Okay, so if I plot that, an x-intercept of 2 is here, a y-intercept of 3 is here. Okay, so I have those 2 points. I'm going to hold off on drawing the line in for now. I'll show you in a minute what that will look like. But for line 2, we're going to do the 2 equations again. So 4x equals 8 and -2y equals 8. So solve that. Divide by 4, divide by 4. So x equals 2. And then divide by -2, divide by -2. So y equals -4. Okay. So intercepts. Okay. For line 1, our x-intercept is 2. Our y-intercept is 3. Line 2, our x-intercept is 2, and our y-intercept is -4. So let's plot that right now. X-intercept of 2 is here. Y-intercept of -4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, is there. So my blue line goes like this. My red line goes like this. Okay, which means my solution is the point 2, 0. Okay, where they meet up. Questions on that, just let me know in our live session. Okay, last one. Let's do number 5 together, and then I'll let you finish the rest. The equation y equals 4. Remember, whenever it's y equals a number, that's a horizontal line. Flip a y upside down, it looks like an H, right? So a horizontal line at 4 is going to look like this. Our other one, I would probably just find intercepts for this. So I would say 10x equals -20, and I would say -5y equals -20. So divide by 10 over here, and I get x equals -2, and divide by -5 over here, and I get y equals 4. Okay, so x equals -2, y equals 4, and draw that line in. Okay, that means our solution is that point right there where they meet, which is the point 0, 4. And that would be your answer. All right, finish that up for homework, and good luck on the quiz.